One of the most important jobs your body has is to stay relatively unchanged even when the world around you is changing. The body achieves this steady state or equilibrium through homeostasis. The mechanisms of homeostasis work to maintain internal conditions within a range that your metabolism can tolerate. For example, your internal temperature normally fluctuates by less than 1 degree, whether you're out in the snow or on a beach on a hot summer day. The process of maintaining homeostasis is complex and involves several organs. These include the liver, kidneys, and brain. Homeostatic disruption can occur when the body's systems are unable to maintain balance, also referred to as homeostatic imbalance, and it can lead to a disease, a disorder, or even death. One common example is hypothyroidism, in which the body fails to produce or regulate thyroid hormones properly. The result of failed thyroid hormone homeostasis includes weight gain, lack of concentration, and fatigue. Homeostatic regulation functions to keep the body at a steady state around a narrow range of values, known as the set point. There are normal fluctuations that occur away from the set point, which means the body's systems must function to constantly move these values as close as possible to the set point. The set point may be adjusted, as in the case of a fever. In order to make these changes, the body must be able to sense the stimulus, which is a change in the internal or external environment contributing to fluctuations that occur away from the set point. All homeostatic systems have 3 common structural elements: the receptor or sense organ, the control center or the brain, and the effector muscle or gland. To demonstrate how these work, let's look at a specific example. In the case of body temperature, temperature-sensing nerves in the skin send information about the external environment to the brain. In addition, receptors in the hypothalamus region of the brain monitor the temperature of the blood passing through the brain. The brain interprets information from these 2 sources to determine whether body temperature is deviating too far from the set point. If the brain determines the body temperature needs adjustment, it sends instructions initiating physiological and behavioral changes to adjust the body temperature back to the set point. Physiologic changes may include shivering or sweating, while behavioral changes may include seeking shelter or removing a jacket.